Fit Code family, Sheldon here, and as you see at your location, we have our new MyZone posters up. I'm excited about this. This is a great way to track week by week how many reps you're putting in for each workout and compare week by week, see if you're progressing, putting a little extra work each week. So the way it's set up is you see on Monday we have workout A all the way through F. The following week, the workouts will switch, as you know, because this Monday's workout will now go on Tuesday, so on and so forth. And then week 3, same as 1, 4 is the same as 2. The best way to see where you're at is to make a mark of either A, when you're starting your warm-up, and when right before you start your cool down to see how many reps that time frame was, or just to put your MyZone on right at the beginning of the warm-up and take it off right after the workout is done. So you have a clear comparison week by week. You can see, okay, each week am I working just a little bit harder? Am I progressing along the way? Some things that may throw this off, so like if you are injured or if you have some sort of, maybe you didn't get enough sleep, so maybe you're probably maybe working a little bit harder, even though you're not working as hard. There's a lot of different things that will factor into how many reps you're putting in, either positively or negatively, but just as a raw comparison on a week by week basis, you can see how you're progressing. So make sure you're putting your numbers in, and we'll go from there. Oh, one more thing, if you're in strength, so if you're taking our strength sessions at our Midway or Beverly or Mokina locations, so let's say I'm up here and on Monday I do an MTT workout, Tuesday I come in, I do a strength workout. What I would do is I would circle that strength workout just so I have a comparison. I'm not confusing my MTT workouts versus my strength workouts. And that's only if you're taking our 1 hour strength classes session. So keep that in mind. All right. As always, love you guys and bring it.